Get ready for a rapid-fire update that's going to blow you away. The pace of news is relentless, and we're here to keep you ahead of the curve. You won't want to miss what's just broken. From groundbreaking sports achievements to major tech shakeups, we've got it all covered. Let's dive into the headlines that are making waves right now. First up, history is being made in the world of professional sports as one team is set to shatter attendance records. Then, we're analyzing the latest stock market signals, dissecting the mixed messages from a major tech player. Following that, we're diving deep into a tech giant's ambitious AI push, exploring the strategies and the turbulence that come with it. And finally, we're going back to where it all began, revisiting the personal journeys of athletes returning to their childhood haunts. Stick around, because this is the news you need to know. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. History made on the field. Get ready for a monumental moment in sports history, as Bay FC is poised to break the National Women's Soccer League attendance record with over 35,000 tickets sold for their upcoming match at Oracle Park. This event, dubbed the Show at Oracle Park, and presented by Visa, is set to become the highest-attended game in the history of United States women's professional league sports, signaling a massive surge in popularity and fan engagement for women's soccer. Bay FC CEO Brady Stewart expressed immense pride in the achievement, stating, "We are incredibly proud of what this match means for Microsoft Sphere, for the Bay Area, and for the NWSL. To set a new attendance record is a reflection of the passion and energy our fans bring every time we step on the field. This is about more than just a match. It is about pushing boundaries and creating something bigger than ourselves." Everyone who is at Oracle Park Saturday has the chance to be part of history and together show the world what's possible in women's sports. This sentiment highlights the club's vision beyond just a single game, aiming to inspire and elevate the sport as a whole. NWSL Commissioner Jessica Berman echoed this enthusiasm, calling it a landmark moment not just for Microsoft Sphere or the NWSL, but for the future of women's professional sports in the United States. She further elaborated, breaking the league's single-match attendance record at a venue as iconic as Oracle Park is a testament to the growing demand, passion, and momentum behind our league. This match is only the beginning of our celebration of women's soccer in the Bay Area, as we gear up to return in November to host the 2025 NWSL Championship. And the energy and enthusiasm we're seeing now sets the stage for an unforgettable finish to the season. Her words underscore the league's strategic focus on leveraging such high-profile events to drive sustained growth and interest. With Oracle Park boasting a capacity of 40,260, this match has the potential to significantly surpass the previous record of 35,038 fans, which was set in 2024 when Bay FC played the Chicago Red Stars at Wrigley Field. This upcoming game is not just breaking the NWSL record, but also setting a new benchmark for all United States women's professional league sports. The event promises a blend of top-tier NWSL talent and engaging fan activities, aiming to make the day an exceptional experience in San Francisco. The Bay Area's strong connection to women's soccer is further emphasized by its historical presence in the top-attended games. Bay FC's upcoming match and their previous game at Wrigley Field are part of the top 50 most attended women's professional league games. The San Jose Cyber Rays also feature twice in this list from their 2001 WUSA inaugural match, 34,148 attendees, and the 2001 WUSA Championship match, 21,078 attendees. This data reinforces the NWSL's dominance, holding 48 of the top 50 most attended matches in U.S. women's professional league sports history. Bay FC, established in April 2023 by USWNT legends Brandi Chastain, Leslie Osborne, Danielle Slatton, and Allie Wagner, represents a significant investment in women's soccer. The club's commitment to changing the face of the sport is evident in its community engagement and its goal to foster a strong connection with local fans. As they prepare to host this record-breaking event, the team is not only aiming for a win on the field, but also a victory for the broader landscape of women's sports. fans are encouraged to secure their tickets quickly to be part of this historic occasion. The energy surrounding this match suggests a bright future for women's soccer, with Bay FC leading the charge in the Bay Area and beyond. Hold on tight, because the excitement is just building. Next, we're turning our attention to the financial markets and a deep dive into the performance of a major tech company. Mixed signals in the market. As the financial world navigates through fluctuating trends, Oracle's stock performance presents a complex picture, characterized by volatile technicals and a divergence in analyst ratings. While the company is making significant strides in the artificial intelligence arena, the market is responding with a blend of optimism and caution, creating a dynamic investment landscape. The company's aggressive push into AI is a key driver of investor interest. Oracle has announced plans to integrate OpenAI's advanced GPT-5 model across its comprehensive portfolio of database and SaaS solutions, including popular platforms like Fusion Cloud and NetSuite. This strategic move is complemented by an expanded partnership to embed Google's Gemini 2.5 suite into Oracle Cloud. These initiatives underscore Oracle's commitment to leveraging cutting-edge AI technologies to enhance its enterprise solutions and capture a larger share of the rapidly growing AI market. The integration of these powerful AI models is expected to bolster Oracle's cloud offerings and attract a wider range of enterprise clients seeking advanced data processing and analytical capabilities. Financially, Oracle has demonstrated robust performance, particularly in its cloud division. For the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025, the company reported impressive revenue figures of $15.9 billion and an adjusted earnings per share, EPS, of $1.70, comfortably exceeding Wall Street's expectations. The cloud business was a standout performer, with total cloud revenue increasing by 27% year-over-year. Notably, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, experienced a remarkable surge of 52% in growth, and management projects this acceleration to continue, with OCI growth anticipated to exceed 70% in fiscal year 2026. This strong financial performance, especially in the high-growth cloud sector, provides a solid foundation for Oracle's ambitious AI expansion plans. However, to fuel this aggressive AI expansion and manage costs effectively, Oracle is also undertaking internal restructuring and cost-saving measures. The company has initiated layoffs within its cloud unit and is reorganizing its leadership structure, which was highlighted by the recent departure of its longtime chief security officer, Mary Ann Davidson. These internal adjustments, while aimed at improving operational efficiency, can sometimes create investor uncertainty regarding the company's long-term strategy and employee morale. Despite these internal changes, investor sentiment remains largely positive, with Oracle stock showing a significant year-to-date gain of 37%. Analysts are closely watching Oracle's next earnings report, scheduled for September 8, where they expect an EPS of $1.48 on $15.03 billion in revenue. The market is keen to see if the company's high-growth, AI-focused strategy can sustain its upward trajectory and translate into continued financial success. Microsoft Sphere Edge rankings provide a nuanced view of Oracle's market position, assigning it exceptional momentum with a score of 92.09, reflecting strong positive price movement and high investor interest. The company also scores well in growth, with a score of 64.91, indicating robust underlying business expansion. However, its value score is notably low at 13.29, suggesting that the stock may be considered overvalued based on traditional financial metrics. This disparity between momentum growth and value metrics often points to a market that is pricing in future growth potential, sometimes at the expense of current valuation. Currently, Oracle shares are trading slightly lower, reflecting the broader market's mixed reactions to its strategic initiatives and internal adjustments. With a 52-week high of $260.87 and a low of $118.86, the stock's volatility underscores the dynamic nature of the tech sector and the intense competition in the AI space. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the strategic maneuvers of a tech giant aiming for AI supremacy, exploring the impact of its ambitious plans on its operations and investor outlook. AI ambitions amidst restructuring. Oracle Corporation is aggressively pursuing AI dominance in 2025, a strategy that has fueled impressive cloud growth and a significant 37% year-to-date stock appreciation. However, this ambitious expansion is occurring concurrently with internal restructuring and layoffs, leading to a degree of investor uncertainty about the company's operational stability amidst its pursuit of technological leadership. The core of Oracle's AI strategy involves deep integration of leading AI models into its extensive product suite. The company recently announced the embedding of OpenAI's advanced GPT-5 model across its database and software as a service (SaaS) portfolio, which includes widely used platforms such as Fusion Cloud and NetSuite. This significant move is further bolstered by an enhanced partnership designed to integrate Google's powerful Gemini 2.5 suite into Oracle Cloud. These integrations are critical for Oracle, as it aims to position its cloud infrastructure and applications as premier platforms for AI-driven enterprise solutions, catering to the increasing demand for sophisticated data processing and analytical capabilities. This forward-looking strategy is underpinned by strong financial performance, particularly within its cloud services. In the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025, Oracle reported total revenues of $15.9 billion and an adjusted earnings per share, EPS, of $1.70, both figures comfortably surpassing Wall Street's projections. The company's cloud business was a significant highlight, with overall cloud revenue climbing 27% year-over-year. The Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI segment, in particular, showed exceptional growth, with a 52% surge in revenue. Looking ahead, Oracle's management anticipates this strong growth trajectory to continue, projecting OCI growth to accelerate to over 70% in fiscal year 2026, signaling a substantial commitment to scaling its cloud operations to meet market demand. To finance this aggressive AI push and enhance operational efficiency, Oracle is simultaneously implementing cost management measures, including layoffs within its cloud division and a reorganization of its leadership. The departure of Mary Ann Davidson, the company's long-standing chief security officer, is one notable example of this leadership restructuring. While these measures are intended to streamline operations and allocate resources more effectively towards AI development, they can also introduce internal challenges and potential impacts on employee morale and market perception. Investor sentiment appears largely optimistic, as reflected in the stock's 37% year-to-date increase. The market is keenly awaiting Oracle's next earnings report on September 8th. Analysts currently project an EPS of $1.48 on revenues of $15.03 billion, and they will be scrutinizing the results to gauge the continued success of Oracle's AI-centric growth strategy and its ability to manage operational changes effectively. Microsoft Sphere's Edge rankings highlight Oracle's market standing with an exceptional momentum score of 92.09, indicating strong positive price action and high investor interest. The company also received a solid growth score of 64.91, reflecting its expanding business operations. However, its value score is quite low, at just 13.29, suggesting that the stock might be overvalued according to traditional valuation metrics. This valuation disconnect suggests that the market is heavily factoring in future growth potential, particularly from its AI initiatives. In terms of stock performance, ORCL shares experienced a slight decline of 2.05% to $229.73 on Wednesday morning, trading within its 52-week range of $118.86 to $260.87. This price action reflects the ongoing market assessment of Oracle's strategic direction and its ability to execute its ambitious AI roadmap amidst internal adjustments. As we continue to explore pivotal moments in sports and technology, get ready for a heartwarming story that connects athletes' pasts with their present achievements on a grand stage. Childhood dreams fulfilled at Oracle Park. For Bay FC players Leah Freeman and Joelle Anderson, Oracle Park is more than just a venue. It's a deeply personal space filled with cherished childhood memories. The upcoming historic match at this iconic San Francisco ballpark marks a profound full-circle moment for these athletes, who grew up attending San Francisco Giants games there and will now play professional women's soccer on its hallowed ground. Leah Freeman, who hails from Berkeley, has a lifelong connection to Oracle Park, with her family being season ticket holders since the days of Candlestick Park. She vividly recalls iconic moments like Pablo Sandoval's 3 home runs in Game 1 of the 2012 World Series and the Giants' championship celebrations. These experiences, rooted in her childhood, fueled her passion for sports and set the stage for her own athletic journey. For Freeman, signing her first professional contract with Bay FC felt like a homecoming, a chance to fulfill a childhood dream in a place that holds so much personal significance. Joelle Anderson, raised in San Jose, shares a similar deep-seated connection to the ballpark. Her early memories include riding the Coca-Cola slide and running the bases, making the park her personal playground during family outings. These formative experiences, coupled with nearly a decade of development at De Anza Force, one of the nation's premier youth soccer clubs, honed her skills and passion for the sport. Both players, now representing Bay FC in the National Women's Soccer League, view Saturday's game as a significant milestone. It not only represents their professional careers, but also embodies the core vision of Bay FC: celebrating local talent, elevating women's sports, and uniting the Bay Area community through soccer. Oracle Park, a venue with a rich history of hosting major sporting events, will for the first time host a game for a local women's sports team, a testament to the growing prominence of women's soccer. Bay FC CEO Brady Stewart has lauded the Bay Area as a preeminent destination of women's soccer in the world, citing the region's strong youth clubs, collegiate programs, and a legacy of national team stars like Brandi Chastain. The club's roster features 7 players with direct ties to the Bay Area, reflecting a deliberate strategy to foster local talent and connect with the community. Anderson, traded back to her hometown team, expressed the emotional significance of returning to the community that shaped her, aiming to be a role model for young girls aspiring to play professional soccer. The narrative of homecoming and local representation is strong within Bay FC. Players like Carly Lemma, Kiki Pickett, and Abby Dahlkemper have also returned to their roots, contributing to the club's identity and its mission to build a lasting legacy for future generations. Anderson notes the significant growth of women's soccer since her childhood, emphasizing the importance of accessibility and visibility for aspiring athletes. Freeman echoes this sentiment, hoping that seeing professional women's soccer up close will inspire the next generation to dream bigger. This historic match at Oracle Park, following Bay FC's previous record-setting attendance at Wrigley Field, is poised to shatter previous attendance records. It serves as a powerful statement about the growing appeal and accessibility of women's sports, highlighting that, when given the platform and the opportunity, audiences will show up. For Anderson and the entire club, this event signifies a new era for women's soccer, both locally and nationally, marking a historic day for the Bay Area and for women's sports. That wraps up our deep dives into today's most compelling stories. We've seen history made, dissected market shifts, and felt the passion of athletes returning home. Don't go anywhere, we've got a quick recap and your full call to action coming right up. History was made with Bay FC shattering NWSL attendance records at Oracle Park. Oracle's stock shows mixed signals amid AI ambitions and restructuring. We explored Oracle's aggressive AI push, cloud growth, and market reception. Plus, we heard from Bay FC players returning to their childhood stomping grounds at Oracle Park. Don't miss out on any of the action, like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for more updates, hit that notification bell, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all our social channels to stay connected.